Hi, this video is about how to use your Texas Instruments BA2 Plus Professional, the bond function there, and to calculate some of the key attributes of the bond, like the flat price, the accrued interest, etc. And this is very useful. It's a lifesaver. You can even calculate the modified duration with just one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and then look at a problem, and we will solve that through the calculator instead of using the regular formulae. Hi, so for our bond calculation example, let's look at this one. 5% semi-annual coupon payment. It matures on 15th Feb 2028. Maturity date, government bonds, so actual by actual convention. The coupon payments are made on 15th Feb and 15th August. So it's twice a year, 6 months apart. The bond is priced for settlement on 14th May 2019. So settlement date is that. They have given the actual days, all of that. That is required if you're using the formula. They will give that. You can use the formula to calculate it. But if you're using the calculator, you don't need to worry about all that. All you need is the settlement date and the redemption date. And that's all we need from a day standpoint. If we are asked to calculate, what we are asked to calculate is the full price, flat price, accrued interest, and modified duration. So this, if you do it with the formula, which I have solved it in the class, right? So we have calculated the full price, AI, flat price, and initially we had calculated the PV using TVM, then we looked at the duration. All of that, that's all doable, but easily 2, even sometimes for some of you might take 3 minutes to solve this. So how can we in the examination, reduce our time? See, you need to understand this concept. What is flat price, full price? How is it calculated? What is duration? But once you know that, let's just use the calculator. Let's be smart and solve it quickly. So let me take you to the calculator, and I have reset the calculator so that it is similar to most of you, but I want you to all make some changes in the settings. First is to go second format, and you can see the decimal is 4. Always switch to 9, enter. So it gives you the maximum number of decimal points. And then down, US dates. If this is something what you're used to, you're from North America, that's fine. For most people from India, I would rather think that you use the European style. So press second, enter, and switch to the European date format, which is DDMMYY. Right? So now this is out of our way. Let's go into the bond calculation. So second 9, which is our bond function, and it is starting with SDT. SDT stands for settlement date. And let's go back to a question. And this was 14th May 2019. 14th May 2019. So the way to enter this would be 140519. Enter, down arrow. The coupon was 5%, so just enter 5, enter, down arrow. Redemption date in our example was 15th Feb, so 15.02.28, enter, down arrow. RV, the redemption value is 100, unless it's different, you can keep it that, enter, down arrow. The convention is actual by actual, so we don't have a change, but in case you want to change, it will be second, enter, and you can shift to the 360-day convention, but we are going to keep it at actual. How many times frequency of the coupon? Twice a year. Again, you can switch second, enter, go to annual coupon. But we want it to be twice a year because as a semi-annual bond, down arrow, yield was 4.8, enter, down arrow. Price, compute, is 101.4. I'm going to store it in 1. All right. Because this is a flat price. This bond the bond function doesn't give you the full price. So I just stored it in 1. Now down arrow, AI is 1.215. Store it in the second memory slot. All right, so now we have price, flat price, AI, down arrow, compute. The duration is 7.043. 4299. So that's our modified duration. Okay. Now to So you have AI, you have price, you have modified duration. The only thing we don't have is the full price. So that's just summing up the flat price with the AI. So to do that, recall 1, which is our flat price, plus recall 2, it's giving 102.62. Let's see if that matches with our calculation. So 102.62 AI, full price 102.62, flat price is 100.40. So this one saved a lot of time, right? It took literally 45 seconds for us to solve 4 calculations, right? Flat price, full price, AI, and duration. So use this one. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching.
So hopefully that was helpful to you, and if you have this BA2 plus professional, this modified duration is available in that, and that definitely is a time saver.